Okay, this video is about types of rock as well as mountain formation. Okay, so let's pretend this rock on the bottom is our Earth's crust. Okay, it's made up of all the different kinds at the moment. Okay, and it's all squiggly. Okay, because it's metamorphic rock. So maybe it was sedimentary or igneous or metamorphic before, and then heat and pressure and continental plate movement has all smooshed it together. Okay, then let's have a volcanic eruption. Okay, and this yellow and red layer of rock is going to represent lava. Okay, so that's igneous rock. And then let's say that's underwater still. Okay, that's a eruption underwater. Okay, so here's the ocean on top. Okay, so over time, you're going to have some erosion take place. Looks like a hamburger. Okay, and you have all the sea creatures. Okay, and so over time, you're going to end up with sand. Okay, let's pretend it's green. Okay, sand and rocks and gravel and bits of sediment, mostly sand. Let's go with sand. Okay, there you go. So here's your sediment, and here's some seashells. Okay, that are at the bottom of the ocean. Okay, and by the way, there's an ocean in Alberta, which is how come we have oil sands. There was all these microscopic organisms that fell to the bottom of the ocean and got buried in the sediments, and it was those microscopic phytoplankton and zooplankton that were compressed over time to make fossils. Okay, so compression and compaction really mash down that rock and makes it into sedimentary rock. Okay, so let's go with that as our crust. Okay, then we have tectonic plate boundary. Okay, so let's say subduction is happening. Okay, where the oceanic plate, I'll say this is the oceanic plate, is going underneath this continental plate. Okay, so what can happen is either faulting, so the entire set of rock can break. Okay, and you'll see the layers shove themselves one on top of the other. Okay, in different layers. Or you'll see faulting, so it'll actually fold and bend. Okay, so there's folding and faulting types of mountains. So you might actually see in your mountain, the layers are a bit confusing because you'll have metamorphic rock, then igneous rock, then sedimentary rock with fossils. And then you have a layer of igneous rock, then metamorphic, then igneous, then sedimentary again. Okay, because the mountains have folded. And sometimes you can even see where that's happened. Okay, so that's also how you can get fossils at the top of mountains, because they used to be at the bottom of the ocean, but through mountain building, because of tectonic plate action, okay, they're now at the top. So there's a place called the Burgess Shale in BC, where there's heaps and heaps of really cool oceanic fossils way up high in the mountains, because they used to be at the bottom of the ocean. Ta-da!